Hey friends, welcome back to the another video. Today we are going to talk about the another audiobooks that I really love. If you are following me from the last years, that you know that how much I love audiobooks. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the Romantics audiobook that you should listen or you should definitely read. In the last video, we talked about the 5 audiobooks that you should read in the lockdown because we are into the free time. We have a lot of free time and it's better to finish a lot of books. It's better to use your time wisely. When it comes to romantic books, I already made one video. You can check that out on my channel where I talked about what type of books I love, what type of books I prefer. If you are into the audiobooks or if you want to get into the audiobooks and you are specifically looking for this type of audiobooks, then make sure you watch this video and there is a link in the description. You can go check out the audiobook Audiobile 90 days free trial and you can listen to all of these books because the book length is usually 3 hours, 4 hours to up to 10 to 12 hours. So if you are good with audiobooks, then you can finish all of this book into the one sitting. First audiobook that I want to talk about is nothing but Call Me By Your Name by Andre Assman. So this book is kind of a coming age story. It's a story about love, it's a story about relationship, it's a story about love letter. Call Me By Your Name, it's also an open question that there are a lot of questions at the end of the book that you may wonder what actually happened or what are the things in this book. But the story is really great and already the movie is also on the Call Me By Your Name. You can also watch the movie after listening to this audiobook. Story about a 70-year-old boy who is a scholar and 24-year-old postdoc who is teaching into the Columbia. She usually visit 6 week के लिए वो एक mansion में visit करती है और वहाँ पे इन दोनों के love story kind of शुरू हो जाती है. And then there is a relationship, there is a emotion, there is a lot of things happen. This book will make you smart. This book will make you nervous. This book will give you the kind of feeling, kind of different emotions when you start listening to this book. On the first chapter only, when I put my headphones and I started listening to this book, I was into the different dimension because I was so engrossed in the audiobook where I left everything and I just started listening or just getting into this book. Obviously there are few bad reviews also available about this book, but it's good to listen to this book if you want to understand different emotions or the different age book, who is one smart, who is into the doctor background and what exactly happened between these two people. And the ending is obviously way different than what you think. But if you have not read Call Me By Your Name, I will highly suggest you to pick up the audiobook as compared to the physical book. I know for some people it is hard to listen to the audiobooks, but give it a try, you will definitely love it. Second book that I want to talk about is Normal People by Sally Rooney. This book is a definitely great and definitely even the Netflix adaptation into the series, that is also the great. But I believe that if you have not read this book or if you have not watched the web series, you should definitely pick up the audiobooks. It's a definitely good. It's a story about two different, someone is wealthy and someone is from the poor background. So that's the story about this book. Obviously it's also the New York Times bestseller and there are few questions about this book also, but it's a really good book because it's all about the teenage life. Normal People, it is a story which is set into the Ireland about two people who are, what will happen with them with over the next 5 years. Relationship is a kind of a complicated because one is belong to the poor family, one is belongs from the poor family, and one is from the rich or the wealthy family. A story about the Marine and Connell who met into the high school or the teenager life. If we talk about the Marine, she is kind of a bookish girl. She is always into the books. She is unpopular. She is not looking good. Kind of ugly, I will say. Not exactly ugly, but she is from the unpopular background, but she is wealthy. Where on the other side, Connell is from a good looking, he is a football player, but because of the family issues, he is from the poor family. And the reason they both met, it's all because the Connell's mom work as a cleaner into marriage house. So that's the reason they both met. And at one point, Marriage admires her feeling for Connell and they started to hook up. They started to meet every day after school because she is unpopular and he is popular. Obviously they don't want to expose or they don't want to give any wrong direction to their relationship. So it's a story about will they make it to the relationship or won't they. So like how, what will happen into the next 5 years. Third book that I want to talk about is The AI Who Loved Me. So it's the, when you read the blurb or when you read the synopsis of this book, you will, you will read that twice. Even I read that the synopsis twice just to understand what exactly the synopsis is saying or what exactly this book is about. The reason you should listen to this book on the Audible, it's because first one, it is Audible original, so you will get different voices, you will get that background voice. It's a kind of, you are watching or you are listening to the some kind of drama, so you will get all sorts of emotion, different voice, that specific AI or the robotic voice which is available in this book. It's a story about the girl Trinity Jordan, who is, somehow living the normal life, who is working from home, and then she meets her neighbor uncle or neighbors, nephew, who is good looking, who is handsome, but soon she realized that he is not a human. He is actually not a human. And then there is a different story and there is a different plot in this book. AI Who Loved Me, it's definitely an interesting book that you should pick up on the Audible only because of the Audible original. But obviously the ending is not that interesting, to be honest, because the end part, it's kind of, I feel, dragged a little. It can be made into the short books around 3 to 4 hours. But it's specifically made this book for the Audible or for the audiobooks only. So it's all about the new generation. It's all about what will happen when AI or the artificial intelligence or a robot enters in your life, and what if you fall in love with that robot. So it's all about that. It's all about what if the human will get replaced by the robots or with same sort of AI. So if you are into this AI kind of thing, or if you are into this robotic who loves robot, then make sure you check out this book. That is, I will put the link in the description. Next book that I want to talk about is I Have Got Your Number by Sophia. It's an interesting plus comedy plus humor plus relationship plus emotions. Like a lot of emotions are in this book. Think about this. It's your engagement day and you have done with your engagement. Now you have your engagement ring, but on the same day you lost your engagement ring and you also lost your phone. Now you are kind of, disappear from the world because you don't have any connections, you don't have your engagement ring also. But at the same time you find out there is one phone lying in the dustbin, and you pick up that phone and there are few messages on that phone. Would you like to read those messages, or would you skip it, or would you mind your own business? So this story is all about this, whatever I told you right now. Story about a girl called Poppy, and she lost her engagement ring, she lost her phone in the, she lost her phone, and in the dustbin she find out one phone which is belong to the Sam, but there are few texts she read that text, and her life turns upside down because that phone is belong to someone. But she is into that phone right now. She is reading all the text, she is replying to all the text, which is the phone belong to the Sam. And the ending is so amazing. It's also about that you have to hide that you have lost your engagement ring. So it's story about that. It's filled with humor. It's available on the Audible. You should definitely check out if you love, rom-coms kind of a book where there is also romance, there is also comedy, and there is also humor. The next book that I want to talk about is Me Before You by Jojo Moyes. I have already recommended this book many times into the past videos, also on my Instagram. So if you have not checked it, then make sure you check out this book. This book is also shortlisted for many awards that you should definitely check out. It's a story about the clerk who loves, she loves to work in the tea shop. Like she always worked to love into the tea shop, but because of the family she have to find the different job. Also her boyfriend Patrick, who doesn't love, or the relationship between the Patrick and love is not that great, and she always wanted to move on from that relationship. And there is another part of the story where the Tryon meets with an accident and he lost all his dream just because now he is completely on the wheelchair, and he is kind of into the depression kind of a thing where he don't want to live, he don't want to enjoy his dream. And then there is an entry of Clark into their house where she kind of personal take care, like personal care for Tryon, and now there is this relationship between Clark and the Tryon, and what things happen, how they treat each other, how they encourage each other to live happily, and all sort of those things. Where Tryon is on the wheelchair, where Clark is helping him to do a lot of things. This is a definitely good book that you should read. It's filled with emotions, filled with romance, filled with lot of things where she supports her family, supports her dreams a lot of ways. So like even there is a movie also available on this book, so you can check out the movie also. But if you have not read this book, check out the audible version, because it becomes so easy to imagine everything when you listen to the books rather than reading it. It's the book that I want to talk on the Audible, which is available on the Audible, which is from the Indian author The Swap. Well, I have never heard about the swap parties or the swap couples all about this. I first read, or I first came across this term into this book. Well, I believe this book is specifically for the adults. So if you are not adult, then don't even read this book, or don't even try to research it. You may get a different feeling also. So it's a story about the Priya Bakshi and the Akash, who are 6 years old marriage, but they are not happy with their relationship. And Priya also had affair, Akash also had affair, and they are kind of looking for something different. They are looking for out of their fading. So they heard about the swap parties into the Delhi, and because of their friend encouraged them to enter into the swap parties. So ultimately Akash convinced Priya to be the partner into the swap parties into the Delhi. So it's all about that. It's a story about the love, betrayal, revenge, a lot of factors. Even I come across this book first time. Also the movie is coming on this book, I believe. So if you have not read it, and if you are adult, and if you want to understand what is a swap parties, about the revenge, betrayal, then make sure you check out this book, The Swap. Other books that I always recommend is all about The Fault in Our Stars, even the 5 Feet Apart, the Notebook. These all are available on the Audible. You can take the free trial of the Audible, and you can listen to all of these books in just one go. You just have to use your credit, download the book, listen to the book, and return that book, and you can, with that same credit, you can buy another book. So it's become easy with the Audible. There is a link in the description. You will get 90 days free trial. Make sure you check out the Audible and listen to the maximum books. If you want more summaries, or if you want more recommendation, make sure you check out the newsletter. There is a link in the description. Check out the newsletter. You will receive every week some good thoughts, some tweets, some important articles that you should read in your mail. So make sure you subscribe to this newsletter. And that's all for the today's video. I will see you in the next one.